Hi, today I'm with me Motorola Moto G72 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. Then click here to open the app, tap enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, then click to OK twice and go back. After that tap to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the process is finished, and let's go to the app search, for example, to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.